Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Emily and my channel is all about memory keeping. Today I am really excited to be sharing my Allie Edwards quarterly scrapbooking kit that just arrived. I just love this kit. It's my only physical kit that I get right now. As some of you know, I kind of unplug in the summertime. I like to spend my evenings outside when it's warm because I live in the Northwest and we get sun for such a limited period of time, but that is changing as the weather starts to get a little bit colder. I am gearing back up for my fall of scrapbooking, and this is just perfectly timed. So I haven't even seen a preview of this kit. I'm going to be going through it for the first time with you, breaking these seals, and I'll be commenting kind of on any stories that pop into my mind. So by the way, no, that's not a real tattoo. I was playing around with a couple of, I have three like temporary fake tattoos on my hands right now just for fun. But I'm going to start with the 12 by 12 paper because this is the only kit that, or the only monthly subscription kit that comes with a 12 by 12 paper, which I love because I do big scrapbooking 9 by 12, and this print is so fun. It kind of reminds me of like old school like data coding. Obviously I don't know what I'm talking about, but you know what I mean. That like old school computer font, super cute, great background. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. Okay, so this, it looks like these are going to be the colors in the kit. This kind of like bright, vibrant reds and yellows and this tan color. I just think that looks so cute with yellow. I love how those look together. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with it, but it's super cute. I love pages like this, that like the story is kind of just ready to plug on in. You could run this through your printer and print words on there or cut out photos to just stick on in there. I love, it's like story number 1, 2, 3, and 4, ready to go. And you could cut this in half or into quarters if you don't do 12 by 12 scrapbooking, and it would fit really well into a smaller size. Scribble page, I love this. I love the black and white. It's so fun to pair black and white with like a bold color. There's just like a bunch of random numbers on here. Allie Edwards' adorable handwriting. Okay, I really, really like this one. So this is, it looks like it's like numbers 1 through 10 in a bunch of different fonts. And so honestly, my first thought is to like punch some of these out and make some lists, because there's so many cute fonts on here and they're repeated but in different colors. So it's just such a great invitation to tell a bunch of like numbered 1 through 10 stories, like 10 reasons I'm ready for the kiddos to go back to school, 10 projects I'm working on right now, 10 things about right now. And kind of same thing for this. So immediately I know I'm going to cut these out. They are so cute. I love this like stencil font. And then you get 1 through 9 twice plus another 0, 1, 2, 3. So it would make a super cute background. I also kind of want to maybe mix media on it. TBD. So next, let's go through the 6 by 8 pages, which, as a lot of you know, they're actually sized for outside the page protector, so they're bigger than 6 by 8. This is so stinking cute. I love the rainbow design, that it's kind of like brush pen font, and it's cute that it's like bi-directional, so it's like goes up and down. Very, very cute. This really makes me want to like glob some texture paste on it and make like a fun mixed media page with this. Okay, next page is a top 10. Like I said, I can't get enough of like a top 10. It's just the best way to tell stories. I love it. It just kind of prompts you to like dig a little bit deeper, and it's a great lens for any kind of storytelling. I love the font, how it's kind of this outline with the inside offset a little bit. I just immediately want to make a page with like a circle photo. Okay, so it's an inch high and it's like 2 and 3, let's measure it from the end of the number. So it's like 2 and boof. Let's go to centimeters. It's 6 centimeters. Centimeters are so much easier. So this one I just really want to fill up those boxes with words and photos. Love this lined backgroundy kind of stencil page. This page is super cute and kind of immediately makes me want to like handwrite, just like not even do any photos or hybrid anything, just like hand write between all of these fun like hand drawn swervy lines, or maybe even put it like a circle photo in each of these and then write past it. Like this is just like a page that's like ready to be done and takes like 5 minutes and kind of as I'm like re-entering a little bit, like those easy pages are just so critical. This is so cute. I love these overlapping circles. Just like a great background page. And then same with this is like so cute. It'd be so easy to just pop in like a photo or run this through your printer. It's like 3.5, basically. We'll call that 3.5. I love the idea of typing or printing typed words in these parentheticals and pairing it with like a full page photo on the other side. Love the ombre green. It's just an easy, ready to go page. This one is so fun. It's got like a variegated yellow background done in the like handwriting practice worksheet kind of font, which is really, really cute. I really like this as, yeah, like a background or part of just sort of like a larger project. I absolutely love this. So I immediately am like feeling invited to like pair it with a half page photo and just like handwrite in like 10 things about right now, 10 things around my house and what that sort of tells about where we're at right now, 10 things I'm looking forward to, or like 10 things I'm stressed out about. I love documenting that and looking back on how it really wasn't actually that stressful. 10 reasons I'm ready for the next season, or 10 things I love about my husband or somebody else. I love lists, and numbers are just such a good lens. So let's look at these die cut numbers, etc. I love anything gold foiled, and they're really thick. They're like they'd be good like stapled. They're a good quality number. And then there's also these cute little like die cut shapes in there too. So I'm trying to like sort of, let me pull out these numbers here and separate them from the shapes so we can go through them separately. So little flower, a clock, a sunshine. I love that you could like handwrite in the time because it doesn't have any hands on it. Star, heart, camera, and even these would be like a great check-in about right now, like what you're listening to, a photo of yourself. How am I, what's, I don't know, blooming in my garden? What am I eating and drinking? Star could be anything. How's your weather? What's going on at home? I don't know. Leaf. And then the heart is like, how am I feeling? Like, check in on my heart space. So I love that. These are really, really fun and super versatile. So let's go through. These look like plastic numbers, and you get a ton of them. There's like a ton in here. So these are that same stencil number font, which I think is so, so fun. And there's like a ton of different colors in here too. This would be really fun. I wonder, there might be enough zeros to do like, I love to do like 03, 01, 04. And just the color varieties, I haven't seen the same one repeated yet twice. So I don't know how many are in here, but it feels like a lot. Like these, you could make multiple pages, multiple lists. These could support a ton of different stories. Love the army green. 8. Okay, I guess I don't need to go through all of these, but they're really, really fun, and they're nice like thick plastic. So lots to do with those. Okay, so let's go through these vellum numbers, because these look so fun and they're like just the right amount of transparent. So these can be fun to adhere right onto a printed photo. Like my first thought is to print a photo with like 3 bullet points of words already on it and leave a space to just adhere these numbers directly on it. I love that they're red and that sort of like triple outlined color. And you also have an ampersand and an exclamation point too. So super fun. So 2 more things to go through. We got 2 sheets of gold foiled like puffy stickers. These, I mean, there's like a million uses for these, so they're just so fun to support any story. That's what I love about these kits, is that they're really geared toward any kind of storytelling that you want to do, rather than giving you like specific prompts. They're there to support any kind of storytelling, pretty widely applicable. So these are little cards, and they've got a negative space in the center, and I just love that concept. So it looks like it is 2 1/8. Okay, let's go to centimeters. Centimeters, it is 5 4 5.4 is how big it is for the negative space. So, oh my gosh, that would look so cute with these die cuts in the center of them. If you had a 2-inch hole punch, you would just see a little bit of the negative space. I think actually, honestly, a 2-inch hole punch for any paper or photo would be the perfect size. But I love how those look. This is, let's see how these, that works. It's not perfect, but it is, yeah, these are fun. And you get quite a few of them. I haven't counted them, but it looks like there's, I don't know, 10 maybe? There's quite a few. So that is everything in this kit. I love this kit specifically and these kits generally just because they're so widely applicable. I get so much use out of them and I hope you guys like this one too. I am so excited to tell stories with it and to see the stories that you are telling too. So thanks so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.